Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video lecture, we will study and focus on the life cycle of red blood cells and their maturation in bone marrow. Let's start the lecture. The production of erythrocytes or RBCs start from the bone marrow, and RBCs production start from stem cell that lies in bone marrow known as erythropoiesis. Hematopoietic stem cell differentiate into pro-erythroblast. This pro-erythroblast will then differentiate into early erythroblast. In this stage, we can see ribosome synthesis. Then it will differentiate into late erythroblast, in which ribosomes start synthesizing lots of hemoglobin, which are responsible to carry oxygen. Late erythroblast then followed by normoblast containing hemoglobin, and then will form a reticulocyte. A reticulocyte loses its nucleus and are not considered RBCs yet because it's still immature. It will stay further in bone marrow for few days, about 3 days, then it will migrate into bloodstream. Once reticulocyte migrated to circulation, it will spend 2 days in circulation, then it will form mature RBCs. As we know, the erythrocyte are immortal cells because it has lifespan about 120 days. Then it will damage and removed from circulation. These damaged cells were phagocytized by macrophages. Then the macrophages will convert it into heme and globin, and which heme is breakdown into biliverdin and bilirubin and iron, while globin will break down into amino acids. The resultant product of RBCs or red blood cells are recycled, that is, amino acids are absorbed back into bloodstream and reach to bone marrow, where these amino acids are used for production of red blood cells again, while the iron and bilirubin also have to play same role as like amino acid. The iron will attach to a transporter. This transporter is a protein called transferrin, which will carry iron to liver and then from liver they will reach to bone marrow for erythropoiesis or for RBCs production. The bilirubin also goes back to liver, and the bilirubin will secrete from liver through bile duct at the site of ampulla of Vater, which is small opening at the duodenum of the small intestine. The bilirubin will convert into urobilinogen through small intestinal normal flora bacteria and into urobilin in the kidney, and finally excreted in feces and urine. Remember that when we will obtain nutrition, they will absorb in small intestine or the villi of intestine. The main nutrition for erythropoiesis include amino acid, iron, globulin, vitamin B12 and folic acid for synthesis of red blood cells. When there is oxygen deficiency in the body or hypoxia, this will activate kidney to produce erythropoietin hormone, which is important hormone for stimulation and production of red blood cells. In simple word, erythropoietin is hormone responsible for production of red blood cells or erythrocytes. Thanks for watching. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you like the video, like, share and subscribe.